Hi, welcome to Fiddly Stitch Tutorials. Today we're going to be working on multi-page sublimation with glow. As you can see, we've created our artwork already. Here are the two boxes, and we've actually already broken it up for time-saving reasons. We've created a back. Let's see. This is actually going to be the vinyl cutout. This cutout is actually the same size. I'm going to try a new process today, so we're going to try it the same size vinyl as the same size artwork, and see if we can get that to come out right. So let's get started. I've already separated my image. This is my print border here. Go ahead and put that in the right spot. Zoom in a little bit. It's not the greatest high def image, but it's going to look good, I believe. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Let me go ahead and print this up, and then we'll get to cut the vinyl out, and then I'll be back so that we can video the rest of it. Okay, so we've colored our image so you can see what we're cutting out. Remember, the vinyl has to be reversed or mirrored according to what the original artwork was, so that everything lines up the right way. Just like the ink, that'll be mirrored as well, you know, for the sublimation. Okay, now we're printing up the other side. As you can see, these are almost full sheets, 8.5 by 11, so it should turn out pretty good. I think the image is 10 by... The total image size is 10.5 by 14.5, so it'll be a nice big print. Okay, so the printer's finally done, and here's our first image. Let me get some light on that. There's the bottom portion of the image, and then the top portion of the image. And we'll be going how to cut that and tape it together, and then we'll try to press it down and see what she turns out like. Got the vinyl cut. As you can see, I use a little light. That way I can see all the cut lines. But it's a big image, so let me get to weeding it, and then we'll peel it off the carrier sheet, and then we'll go from there. Okay, finally got her all weeded out, and it was a miracle. It has got a lot of little finger detail. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a video too, so like, subscribe, share, get people out here to witness this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And number 2 will be coming right out.